Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to start in YouTube Studio on desktop. Mobile app limits bulk actions. Sign in to the channel that owns the shorts. Once signed in, open the content section. This is where videos live. Make sure to apply the shorts filter or sort by duration under 60 so you only see short-form content. Now that the list is narrowed, you're ready to select multiple items. Don't skip this step because selecting the right set prevents accidental deletions. With the filtered shorts list visible, click the top checkbox to select all items on the page. You can also individually check items to refine selection. Once selected, scan titles, thumbnails, and upload dates. Confirm you won't lose important content. Next, open the More Actions menu and pick Delete Forever. YouTube will prompt for confirmation. Confirm that you understand deletion is permanent. If you have many pages, repeat selection and deletion per page until you finish removing all targeted shorts. After deleting a batch, immediately verify the video's count and reapply the shorts filter to catch remaining items. Pagination often hides content. If deletions don't reflect right away, wait a few minutes and refresh, or allow 24-48 hours for caches and analytics to update. Make sure you exported backups first if needed. Deletion is irreversible. If an item fails to delete, try clearing cache using an incognito window or a different browser. Contact support only after these steps to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.